Hi students, we're starting a new unit. The unit is colonization in social studies. So today I'm going to present to you some important academic vocabulary words that we'll be using and studying throughout this unit. So first, I want you to just look at the visual and look at myself and look at the gestures that I'll be making. Your teacher will give you time to then practice as a whole class and maybe even practice with a partner. So here we go. Our first word is colonization. European colonization of the land will become the United States of America began with the one colony of St. Augustine in 1565. Remember, colony, the first colony of St. Augustine in 1565. Since the colonies had an abundance of natural resources, the colonies shipped natural resources to Europe, where those resources were made into finished products. These products were then shipped back to the consumers in the colonies. The trade of these resources helped the colonists acquire the goods they were used to back home. Colonists also established a democratic process, allowing colonial citizens to select other citizens to run their territory locally, although the monarchy still ruled the territories from Europe.